Okay, guys, this is kind of what your finished product should look like. Um, I really didn't plan out the floral arrangements like I would if I was actually setting up an event. So you guys can decorate or feel free to use real flowers, paper flowers. These are some from your typical Joann's, Pakistans, and so on. So this is just going to be a slow down version to actually show you panel by panel how to connect. And the way that I did is the most convenient way that I know of. So I just went ahead, as you can see, kind of put these together so it could be a faster assembly because they have these connectors right here. So it's the pointy ones going across on two different sides. So pointy ones on this side and this side. And it is the connector holes on this side and that side. So you actually have to kind of um, rotate them and make sure each connector is connecting going one way. You'll connect it to that side, all those. And as you go along, you just kind of have to rotate and make sure they go in all order. So if you're doing an event, I would kind of um, go how I kind of did. Just, pre-plan it however long or short you're going to need the backdrop. Just pre-do it at home already. So, just line them up. You can stack them. That way they don't fold or bend and they stay neat and shape without you having to kind of unroll them. So that's about it. And I use zip ties. You're really not going to need the tool. I also green zip ties because they hide. And if your grass drop, if it's bright outside and you guys need something to cover the back, because sometimes it might glare through, which you're really not going to see the upside, but just in case, you can always add a screening or a cover sheet and safety pin it together or however you would like. I kind of ran out of zip ties there. I had some extra twine. This kind of rope you can find at your local Dollar Tree, Walmart, whatever. And I just kind of measure kind of big, just cut. You can always snip at the end to kind of hold the flowers together. I just stuck it in there, but just to make sure that it is safe and sturdy. I got this backdrop at Walmart.com or Amazon, and also I use these as I was connecting to just hold it tight together. Oops. This is just a display. If I was doing it for someone's event, that would never happen. So okay, but yeah, I just kind of put them in a loophole that you can see in the back as I showed you, and just tie it to the backdrop for more security. And voila, magic. I just did this at this height, and yeah, that's kind of basically it. How to set up a grass backdrop, portable backdrop. This is one way. I just thought I seen multiple people use wood, but I don't have a car big enough, to travel with that, and just running out if you. So this is one way you can break down your backdrop, break down all your panels. Just make sure you have them in some kind of order, so when it's ready to set up, it's just flows in order. Just helps speed up the process. The floral arrangements and what's so for. You can actually add floral wreaths. I even see some people spell their names. You can decorate your backdrop however you like. And if you guys have any questions or comments, feel free to drop below, subscribe, and yeah.